In 2025, electric supercars are setting new standards in speed, power, and sustainability. With electric drivetrains offering unmatched acceleration, cutting-edge technology, and zero emissions, these vehicles are not just a trend, but the future of high-performance sports cars. Combining mind-blowing speed with luxurious design and eco-consciousness, electric supercars are changing the way we think about performance. In this video, we will explore the top electric supercars of 2025, showcasing their insane acceleration, advanced features, and how they are pushing the boundaries of performance and sustainability. Performance: 1,914 horsepower with quad-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.85 seconds. Range: 340 miles per charge. Top speed: 258 miles per hour. Interior: minimalist and tech-focused with luxurious finishes and driver-centric design. The Rimac Nevera is a true masterpiece of electric engineering, offering nearly 2,000 horsepower and an unbelievable 0 to 60 miles per hour time. It's a hypercar that combines extreme performance with a futuristic design, making it one of the most exciting electric supercars on the planet. Performance: 1,000 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds. Range: 620 miles on a full charge. Top speed: 250 miles per hour. Interior: sleek and minimalist, featuring premium vegan leather and a state-of-the-art touchscreen interface. The Tesla Roadster 2025 is the future of electric supercars. With its mind-blowing speed, impressive range, and cutting-edge technology, the Roadster is a game-changer in the world of performance cars. It's fast, eco-friendly, and undeniably luxurious. Performance: 1,973 horsepower with quad-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. Range: 250 miles on a full charge. Top speed: 200 miles per hour. Interior: high-tech, minimalist with driver-focused cockpit and luxurious finishes. The Lotus Evija is an electric hypercar that delivers unbelievable performance and cutting-edge design. With nearly 2,000 horsepower, it offers an unmatched driving experience and sophisticated interior, perfect for those who want the best of both performance and eco-friendly technology. Performance: 1,900 horsepower with quad-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.79 seconds. Range: 300 miles per charge. Top speed: 217 miles per hour. Interior: luxurious with high-end materials, digital cockpit, and advanced infotainment. The Pininfarina Battista is a stunning work of art that pushes the boundaries of electric supercar performance, offering extreme power, unbelievable acceleration, and a luxurious interior. The Battista is perfect for those who want a luxury performance car that's as fast as it is beautiful. Performance: 1,035 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. Range: 350 miles on a full charge. Top speed: 250 miles per hour. Interior: bespoke, with luxurious leather seats, carbon fiber accents, and a high-tech digital interface. The McLaren Speedtail Electric takes the iconic Speedtail design and adds electric performance. With its sophisticated interior, cutting-edge technology, and insane acceleration, the Speedtail offers luxury and performance in one high-performance electric package. Performance: 637 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds. Range: 246 miles on a full charge. Top speed: 155 miles per hour. Interior: luxurious with high-tech displays, premium materials, and adjustable seating. The Audi e-tron GT RS offers a thrilling combination of performance and luxury. With impressive acceleration and a tech-packed interior, the e-tron GT RS is an electric supercar that blends Audi's signature craftsmanship with next-generation electric powertrains. Performance: 1,000 horsepower with hybrid electric powertrain. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. Range: 25 miles on electric power with hybrid capabilities for longer drives. Top speed: 211 miles per hour. Interior: a fusion of luxury, sportiness, and advanced technology, featuring premium leather and infotainment systems. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale Electric represents Ferrari's foray into the electric world, combining their legendary performance with hybrid electric technology. Offering unmatched speed and a luxurious interior, this supercar will captivate any Ferrari enthusiast. Performance: 1,700 horsepower with hybrid powertrain. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds. Range, 310 miles on a full charge. Top speed, 250 miles per hour. Interior luxurious, featuring high-tech displays, premium materials, and customizable options. The Koenigsegg Gemera is a hybrid powerhouse that delivers unbelievable acceleration and a luxurious interior. As one of the fastest and most powerful electric supercars, the Gemera is perfect for those who want world-class performance with eco-friendly technology. Longer range and faster charging. Supercar manufacturers are focusing on increasing range to over 300 miles per charge with faster charging technologies that allow for quicker stops during long drives. Sustainability. Many supercar brands are shifting toward eco-friendly manufacturing, using recycled materials, vegan leather, and sustainable energy sources to create cars that are both powerful and green. Advanced technology. Expect to see autonomous features, AI-driven systems, and performance-enhancing technologies that make electric supercars even more exhilarating to drive. Performance. These supercars will offer superior acceleration, top speeds, and unbelievable power, challenging even traditional gasoline-powered sports cars with their electric drivetrains. Title: in 2025, are taking the automotive world by storm, offering the perfect balance of, and these vehicles represent the future of. With advances in electric technology, luxury automakers are focusing on delivering vehicles that offer, and, in this video, we will explore the showcasing their, and, 0 to 60 miles per hour in, one of the fastest in the world, 200 miles per hour. The is the pinnacle of electric performance. It redefines what N can do, combining, and that provides comfort without sacrificing performance. 1,111 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive, 503 miles per charge, high-end luxury with like NA, 0 to 60 miles per hour in, 155 miles per hour. The is BMW's flagship electric luxury sedan. Combining with, the i7 offers a while delivering and in every detail. 516 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive, 350 miles on a full charge, spacious and luxurious with, and, the is a perfect fusion of and, with a design, and the EQS offers an eco-conscious alternative to traditional luxury sedans, without compromising on and 5. Audi A8 e-tron 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, performance, acceleration 4.8 seconds range, top speed, interior, high-quality materials, advanced tech, features a spacious cabin, Audi A8 e-tron electric future, elegant styling, advanced technology, smooth performance luxury electric vehicle, comfort eco-friendliness, 6. Porsche Taycan GTS, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, performance, acceleration, 3.1 seconds range, top speed, interior, premium leather adjustable seating, advanced infotainment system, Porsche Taycan GTS performance-oriented luxury sedan, Porsche's legendary driving dynamics, unforgettable driving experience, handling performance luxury, 7. Jaguar XJ electric, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, performance, acceleration, 4.2 seconds range, top speed, interior, high-quality leather wood, accents, advanced climate control systems, Jaguar XJ electric British craftsmanship, innovative electric technology, luxurious interior performance, 8. Genesis G80 electric, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, performance, acceleration, 5.0 seconds range, top speed, interior, high-quality materials, tech-rich features, spacious cabin, Genesis G80, electric newcomer, sophisticated styling, premium features, luxury, eco-conscious driving performance, reliable and comfortable electric vehicle, EV trends in luxury sedans for 2025, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, longer range, 350-500 miles, faster, charging technology, 80% less than 30 minutes, advanced technology, AI-driven systems, semi-autonomous, driving features, personalized infotainment, sustainability, sustainable materials, recycled fabrics, vegan leather, carbon-neutral production, powerful performance, advanced technology, sustainability, luxurious driving experience. This script is structured for a 10-minute video on NVIDIA AI. Best electric pickup trucks for 2025, top electric supercars for 2025. In 2025, the world of electric supercars will evolve with unbelievable performance and sustainability. These vehicles will redefine what's possible in speed, luxury, and eco-conscious driving, making them the future of high-performance vehicles.